Time you search for a file, just so you can upload it to ChatGPT, you're doing a job the computer should be doing for you. Find a file, download it, or copy the link. Open ChatGPT, upload it, wait, repeat. For one file, that's annoying. But imagine you run a business with hundreds of invoices, proposals, reports, contracts, meeting notes, and spreadsheets scattered across Google Drive. You can connect ChatGPT directly to Google Drive. And once you do, something important changes. ChatGPT stops waiting for you to bring files. It can go find them itself. Connecting your drive is surprisingly simple. In ChatGPT, open plugins, choose Connect to Google Drive, sign in, and authorize the connection. That's it. It takes less than a minute. But that tiny connection completely changes how you can work with AI. Let me show you. Imagine you run a business. Somewhere in your drive are your sales reports, customer feedback, marketing documents, meeting notes, and maybe a spreadsheet containing the numbers you actually need. Normally, you first have to figure out which files matter, then find them, then upload them. Instead, you can simply ask, tell me the revenue in USD as reported by Astron Medlog half-year operating review. Note that I did not tell which file and where it is located. I might not even know these details considering the tons of files that a business might have. But I do not have to. ChatGPT does the searching. It finds the relevant files, reads the useful information, and brings the pieces together into one answer. Think about what just disappeared from that workflow. You didn't know the file names. You didn't know exactly which folder contained the answer. But here's where it gets even better. So far, information has been moving in one direction. Google Drive to ChatGPT. What happens when you reverse it? Suppose ChatGPT analyzes some files and produces a result you actually want to keep. Normally, select all, copy, open Google Docs, create document, paste, format, rename, save. More computer work done by the human. Instead, you simply say, turn this analysis into a Google Doc and save it to my drive. In our example, I want to send the output to another system as JSON. So I tell generate JSON file representing the main data points and save it in the same location. And now the loop is complete. Search, understand, create, and save. No downloading, no uploading, no copy-pasting between applications. And this is the part one think matters most. Connecting Google Drive doesn't suddenly make ChatGPT more intelligent. It removes a barrier between the AI and the information you already have. Your entire archive of work. So instead of treating ChatGPT like a website where you occasionally drop a document, you start treating it more like an assistant that can actually work with your information where that information already lives. And that changes the question. It's no longer, which file should I upload to ChatGPT? It becomes, what could I ask if I never had to find the file first? Try it on one real problem in your business. You might never look at that upload button the same way again.